Hey guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. For today's recipe, we are gonna be talking about one of the classics when it comes to cookies, and that is the oatmeal cookies. Our lolas used to make it, our moms and aunties have made it as well. Kaya for today, we are gonna be learning how to bake one. So get your spatulas ready and let's get baking.
First, we're going to mix together our dry ingredients: flour, oatmeal, and baking soda. Next, with the paddle attachment, we're going to beat the butter on medium speed until smooth. Then we are going to add in both our white and brown sugar and beat this together until creamy. We are then going to add in our eggs and vanilla, then beat this until combined. It is now time to add in our dry ingredients to our butter mixture. Once everything is incorporated, we are going to fold in our chocolate chips. In this case, I use chocolate chunks. You can actually add in anything. It can be nuts, raisins, or any other dried fruit that you like. We then chill our cookie dough for an hour before we portion it out. Once chilled, it's time for us to scoop out our dough. Once done, we are then going to chill this overnight or freeze this for up to 3 months. After leaving this in the fridge overnight, it's time to bake them. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. You can line your baking tray with baking paper, silicone baking mats, or grease them like this one with butter and dust it with flour. We will place our cookies 3 inches apart and bake this for 13 to 14 minutes until it is slightly brown on the sides. Once out of the oven, we will allow our cookies to cool for a bit before transferring it to a wire rack to cook completely.
So this is our final product. These are actually soft and chewy oatmeal cookies. So cookies are always better when it's freshly baked. Kaya na-mention ko kanina na you can actually freeze your cookie dough for up to 3 months. So you can bake it ahead of time and then form it into balls. Tapos ilagay niyo lang siya sa Ziploc. Lagyan niyo ng label kung anong date niyo siya ginawa and then pop it inside the freezer. So every time na nagka-crave kayo, need niyo ng cookie fix or kung may mga bisita kayo, you can just get one from the freezer. Tapos lagay niyo na siya sa baking tin. No need to thaw it. Put it inside the oven and bake it the usual. Tapos dagdagan niyo lang ng mga 1 to 2 minutes baking time, depende sa oven niyo. And then, that's it. You have freshly baked cookies all the time. It would save you so much time sa pagpe-prepare at sa pagbe-bake ng cookies, diba? I hope marami kayong natutunan na tips sa ating recipe for today. Please do give this recipe a try. Sobrang sarap talaga nito, promise. Tapos, don't forget na din to like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Para din maging updated kayo palagi, just click the notification bell. So, huwag kayong mahiya. Just drop your comments, drop your questions and requests lagi. I'm always ready to answer them to help out mga kapwa home bakers natin dyan. So, kita-kita na naman po tayo next week. Happy baking!